Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to study a topic in biology known as classification of living organisms. We are going to study this topic with questions and answers for a better understanding. The first question we have here says, the largest phylum in the animal kingdom is dash A. Mollusca, B. Arthropoda, C. Annelid, D. Nematode. In this question, the correct answer is B. Arthropoda. Scientists have done research and discovered that there is a group of animals known as arthropods, and this group of animals known as arthropods belong to an animal kingdom known as Arthropoda, and this group of animals are the largest in the animal kingdom. So they comprises or they are made up of many organisms. The next question says, which of the following is radially symmetrical? A. Lizard, B. Toad, C. Grasshopper, D. Hydra. In this question, the correct answer is D. Hydra. So, if an organism is radially symmetrical, what it means is that that organism can be cut in any plane, in any side, and there will be equal halves. So, but if an organism is bilaterally symmetrical, what it means is that if someone cut that organism in one plane, that person will get two identical halves. But all the organisms that are radially symmetrical means that they can be cut in any plane or in any side, and there will be availability of two equal halves. So this Hydra is an example of an organism that is radially symmetrical. Any side that they cut Hydra, there will be production of two equal halves. The next question says, the branch of biology that deals with the principles of classification is called dash A. Biochemistry, B. Taxonomy, C. Microbiology, D. Genetics. In this question, the correct answer is B. Taxonomy. So taxonomy is a branch of biology that deals with the study of classification. It is that branch of biology that deals with the principles of classification of living things. So those scientists that specialize in this branch of biology known as taxonomy are called taxonomists, and taxonomy is an important branch of biology because there are millions of living things with different characteristics. So those organisms with similar characteristics will be placed in a particular group and for easy identification. The next question says, which of the following organisms belong to the cellular level of organization of life? A. Amoeba, B. Mouse, C. Hydra, D. Fern. In this question, the correct answer is A. Amoeba. So amoeba is an organism that belongs to the cellular level of organization of life. Amoeba possesses one cell in it, and this single cell in it can carry out different life processes such as reproduction, respiration, movement, etc. So, but other options we have here such as mouse, hydra, fern, they don't belong to the cellular level of organization of life. So it is only amoeba in this option that belongs to the cellular level of organization of life. The next question says, which of the following belong to kingdom Monera? A. Bacterium, B. Amoeba, C. Earthworm, D. Paramecium. In this question, the correct answer is A. Bacterium. There is a group of organisms known as kingdom Monera. This group known as kingdom Monera has some features, and one of the features of this kingdom Monera is that the organisms that belong to this kingdom or this group are unicellular organisms. The organisms that belong to this group are prokaryotes, meaning they don't have well-defined nuclei in their cells. So, studies have shown that bacterium does not have a well-defined nucleus in its cell. So, it's among the organisms that belong to this group known as kingdom Monera. And that's why option A remains the correct answer. The next question says, protists move by the following except dash: A. Cilia, B. Flagella, C. Pseudopodia, D. Legs. In this question, the correct answer is D. Legs. So protists are those unicellular organisms with well-defined nuclei in their cells. So they are microorganisms that have nuclei in their cells. So these protists move by cilia, some move by flagella, while some move by pseudopodia. So they don't have legs like human beings. So they move by some organelles known as cilia, flagella, and pseudopodia. The next question says, angiosperms and gymnosperms belong to the plant group called dash: A. Schizophyta, B. Bryophyta, C. Pteridophyta, D. Spermatophyta. In this question, the correct answer is D. Spermatophyta. So Spermatophyta is the most complex plant in a group known as plant kingdom. So these Spermatophyta, or the organisms that belong to this group known as Spermatophyta, are the angiosperms and the gymnosperms. And research have shown that angiosperms and gymnosperms are the most complex plants among other plants we have on the surface of the earth. So they belong to this group known as Spermatophyta. The next question says, the following are arthropods except dash: A. Crab, B. Millipede, C. Spider, D. Snail. In this question, the correct answer is D. Snail. We have already said that arthropods are the largest invertebrate animals under animal kingdom. And these arthropods are divided into different groups. We have the group known as the arachnida, we have a group known as insecta, etc. So crab is an example of arthropod, millipede is an example of arthropod, spider is an example of arthropod, but snail is not an example of arthropod. Snail belongs to a group of animal known as mollusca. The next question says, which of the following is lowest in the category of classification? A. Class, B. Species, C. Family, D. Genus. In this question, the correct answer is B. Species. So species is the lowest category of classification. There are 7 hierarchy of classification of living things. We have the kingdom, we have the phylum, we have the order, we have the genus, we have the family, we have the species. So this species is the lowest category of classification of living organisms. The next question says, stinging cells are normally found in dash: A. Flatworms, B. Hydra, C. Snails, D. Paramecium. In this question, the correct answer is B, Hydra. Well, studies have shown that this organism known as Hydra has stinging cells in it. The next question says, some of the features of an animal are scales, teeth, nails, and backbone. The animal is likely to be dash A, bird, B, lizard, C, toad, D, rat. In this question, the correct answer is B, lizard. So, lizard is an example of an animal that belongs to a group known as reptiles. And these reptiles generally possess scales, teeth, nails, and backbone. So, but other options have some of these features, but they don't have all these features mentioned here. So, that's why lizard remains the correct answer. The next question says, the third level of organization of life is dash A, cell, B, tissue, C, system, D, organ. In this question, the correct answer is D, organ. So organ is the third level of organization of life. The first level is known as cell, the second level is known as tissue, the third level is organ, and the fourth level is system. So organ is the third level of organization of life. If today is the first time you are watching our video, if this is the first time you are watching or you are joining this channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel so that you can study other topics where we have treated them in many of our videos.